One of the most asked questions I get is how often do you treat your clothes with Promethium? And I'm going to answer it real quick. I want to say every 4 washes or once a month. And I do it religiously because, you know, I got bit by a tick once and got a ticculitis and put me in the hospital. Anyway, I'm going to show you a couple quick tips though people overlook. This is going to sound weird, but you're going to want to spray the inside of your pants right here, at least down to the seam. And I know, in your pockets, okay? Definitely in your pockets. Then here in the inseam of your jeans, you want to spray in there on each side because that's where them little suckers sneak in. Now on my socks, I do the outside only, not the inside. You don't want to do the inside, you don't need to. On my shirt, and this is a common place where them little suckers get you, is they creep in through the back. So I spray up. It's probably up 6 inches on the end, or on the inside of the shirt pocket. I shoot a little bit in the armhole, but I do not shoot anything inside the neck hole right there. I just don't do it. The same here. Now on your first coating, you coat your pants, shirt, all your clothes extremely freaking heavy to the point where it looks like they're wet like that. On your, after that, your second, third, or fourth coat, how many times you use it throughout the season, a light coat will be perfect. Just kind of help everything out. So I hope it answered the question. If you have any more tips or anything, please feel free to leave it below. And everybody have a freaking awesome day.